What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to generate QR codes that are fully customizable and yet very useful for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to Google and type Hanging QR Code AI and go to this first result, hangingface.co spaces hanging face projects. Here is the first result. It's on GitHub, okay? So all I have to do now is enter the URL that your QR code gonna direct for. In my case, it's gonna be Visualmodo. You can, as optional, upload an image, okay? For example, an image that represents your QR code. For example, the Visualmodo logotype. Then you can enter some prompt in the case that you want. Scroll down, you can customize the straight, the guidance scale, the simpler, and the seed. Let's click on run. Let me type a prompt. You have the option of negative prompt as well. And here is the result we got. But we can have other options. Let me remove this. And instead of PC, I'm gonna type car, for example. Let me run. And here is the result I got. But of course, we can keep customizing. For example, monster truck, just like this. Let's run again. Now let's try to change the scale, just like this. As you can see, you can customize the QR code and apply some prompts and some options. Just remember, if you give more details, you're gonna receive more ideas, okay? Here is some other options I have created with some other simple prompts. But remember, you need to enter a better prompt. In this case, I have used car, HD, internet, and creative, and I got this result right here. In this other case, I have entered car and moto, and I got this result right here. Of course, the prompt saves you, but as you can see, it's a very simple way. You can download or you can share your prompt, okay? Simple, right? The QR code is now downloaded and you are ready to use. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.